In this video, we will be demonstrating the digital strain display, the SM1010, from the Materials Testing and Properties range of engineering teaching equipment provided by TecQuipment. This is a base unit for generating direct readings of strain from metal foil strain gauges, ideal for use with a strain gauge kit from TecQuipment. 16 channels allow this instrument to measure 16 strain signals at the same time for quarter, half and full bridge strain connections. 2 channels include additional individually adjusted dynamic outputs. They can connect to suitable instruments such as an oscilloscope or a chart recorder for measurement of a transient strains. Let's take a closer look around the equipment. Housed within a metal box are a series of display and controls on the front and input and output sockets at the rear. Channel 15 and 16 are dynamic outputs to BNC sockets to connect to the instrumentation. Onto the multiline display that shows 4 strain readings at a time. This is the 0 button for clearing out the readings, and the socket here connects to the optional VDAS hardware. If you are unfamiliar with VDAS, it is TecQuipment's versatile data acquisition system for real-time display and data acquisition of all 16 strains. This is optional, but it does have great benefits. Not only does it automate a lot of the data logging process to reduce errors and save time, but you can also create charts and tables and calculate the data. Keep in mind that you do require a separate VDAS hardware unit and to run the free software on a suitable computer that is connected up like this. Back to controls on the front. These are split into 2 sets that allow you to match the dynamic outputs from channel 15 and 16 to give correct readings on an external oscilloscope or chart recorder. I mentioned at the beginning that this is ideal for use with a strain gauge kit, the E19. A separate video is available with more details on this kit. For more videos like this, follow the TecQuipment YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.